Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos, and today I'll teach you guys how you guys can activate your metrobank's credit card online. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for activate metrobank credit card online like this. Once you search for it, scroll a bit down and choose where it says activate card metrobank. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the official website of Metrobank where you guys can activate your credit card. So wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once you're in this page, scroll a bit down. Where it says credit card number, enter your 16-digit number of your credit card and then enter your credit card's expiration date. And then over here where it says CAPTCHA, enter whatever thing is displayed on your screen. On my screen, it says 6113 and click on proceed. Once you do that, on the next step, it's going to ask you for some more information. Your card will be activated. So that's how you guys can activate your metrobank's credit card. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye.